shall you wanted to start with the chapter?
Ma'am, my mom told me your name and then that you're based in like Mumbai. That's all I
Yeah.
know.
Okay, so I've done BE Biotechnology from Mumbai
Yeah, yeah.
University. Okay, so my course are all biology, chemistry, physics. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you know what are the states of matter?
Solid, liquid, gaseous, and then
Solid,
there's
gases. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So, do you know what's the process of converting solid to liquid?
heating.
Heating. Yeah. So, when a solid melts, it converts into liquid. Okay.
Liquid,
Can you
yes.
give me one example of that?
Ice melting.
Ice. And when we have an ice, like right, it's in the solid form. Okay, if you keep on a paper, okay, it will start melting, and as soon as it start melting, it start to expand. Okay, I can share my screen with you. Okay, just wait a second. Can you see this page?
Yes, ma'am.
If it's in the form of ice, it will take a little space, right?
Yes,
As
ma'am.
soon as it start melting, it will start to spread. Okay, we call it as expansion. Okay, and
Yes.
expansion, whatever expands whatever expands or expand while on heating or on melting, it is known as fluid.
Yes.
Okay. uh 1 minute, huh? Can you see it clearly or do you need some light? I think
Ma'am, I
it's
can